Life is a long journey. Every day, you take small steps. Every step is part of your story. Sometimes you feel sure about your way, but sometimes you feel lost. Sometimes you look at other people and think their life is better. Sometimes you think their road is easy. When you feel this way, you may forget something important. You have your own path, and your path is different from everyone else. Walking your own path means you live your life in your way. It means you listen to your own heart. It means you do not copy everything from others. It means you take steps that feel right for you. Many people follow the crowd because it feels safe. But when you follow everyone, you stop learning who you really are. You stop growing in your own style. Every person is unique. You are unique too. You have your own ideas. You have your own dreams. You have your own fears. You have your own story. No one else is the same. This is why your path is special. Your path may be slow. Your path may be simple. But it is still your path. And that is what makes it important. Sometimes you feel afraid to be different. You may think people will not understand. You may think you will fail. You may think your way is wrong. But fear is normal. Everyone feels fear. Fear does not mean you must stop. Fear only means you are doing something new. When you walk your own path, you learn to be brave in small ways. You learn to try. You learn to move. You learn to stand again when you fall. Walking your own path also means listening to your inner voice. This voice is quiet. It tells you what makes you happy. It tells you what makes you calm. It tells you what feels right. But many people ignore this voice because they want to please others. They want to look perfect. They want to fit in. But when you ignore your inner voice, you feel empty inside. You feel lost even when you are busy. You feel tired even when you do many things. You may ask, how do I start walking my own path? The answer is simple. Start with small choices. Choose one thing that feels true. Choose one small step that feels good. For example, you can choose a hobby you enjoy. You can choose a goal that feels right for you. You can choose to spend time with people who support you. You can choose to learn something new. Every small choice helps you understand yourself more. Every small choice helps you walk forward. Your path will not be perfect. You will make mistakes. You will feel confused. You will take wrong steps. This is normal. Mistakes are part of life. Mistakes help you learn. Mistakes help you grow. When you follow other people's path, you may avoid mistakes, but you also avoid learning. When you walk your own path, mistakes become teachers. They show you what works and what is not. They help you become stronger. Walking your own path also brings peace. When you follow others, you feel stress. You feel pressure. You feel tired. You feel like your life is not yours. But when you follow your heart, you feel calm. You feel light. You feel free. You feel that your steps matter. You feel that your journey is real. Sometimes, people will not understand your path. They may ask questions. They may judge. They may say you are wrong. But this is okay. They do not need to understand. They only need to respect. And when you respect yourself, other people slowly learn to respect you too. When you walk your own path, you meet people who like you for who you are. You meet people who support your dreams. You meet people who make your journey brighter. Your path may be simple. It may not look special to others, but it is special to you. It is the road that connects you to your true self. It is the road that helps you grow slowly, day by day. It is the road that helps you find meaning in small things. When you walk your own path, you feel proud of your steps. You feel proud of your progress. You feel proud of your story. Walking your own path also means choosing your dreams. Your dreams do not need to be big. They can be small and gentle. For example, your dream can be learning English. Your dream can be having a peaceful life. Your dream can be becoming better every day. Your dream can be helping someone. Any dream is okay if it feels true to your heart. When you follow your dream, your life feels more clear. You know why you wake up. You know what you want. You know where you are going. Walking your own path teaches you patience. Life takes time. Growth takes time. Change takes time. You do not need to move fast. You only need to move forward. Even one small step each day is enough. Even one small action can change your future. When you walk slowly but surely, you will reach places you never thought you could reach. You may look at others and feel behind. You may think they are doing better. You may think they are moving faster. But remember this: every person has their own time. Every person has their own speed. Your speed is okay. Your time is okay. Your way is okay. What matters is that you are moving. You're trying. You're growing. Walking your own path is a way to love yourself. It is a way to care for your heart. It is a way to respect your life. Your story is important. Your journey is important. Your steps are important. When you walk your own path, you learn who you are. You learn what you like. You learn what you want. You learn what makes you happy. One day, you will look back and smile. You will see how far you have come. You will see how many steps you took. You will see how much you changed. And you will feel proud. You will feel peaceful because you lived in your own way. You followed your own heart. You walked your own path. So take a deep breath. Stand up. Look forward. Choose one small step today. Choose one small action that feels true. Do not wait for people to approve. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait for zero fear. Just begin. Your path is waiting for you. Your future is waiting for you. Your true self is waiting for you. Walk your own path, slowly, simply, honestly, and bravely. Your life is yours, and you deserve to live it in your own way.